Hello, this is me, Sointex. I'm here in Grover Hall listening to episode 13 of the Homotechnics podcast, and I'm here to do a taste test of Annie. It's pretty solid. It's almost like Mountain Dew, but a little bit sweeter. I think this is same company as Mountain Dew. Maybe a little bit, more tangy sugar taste than Mountain Dew. I would say definitely better than Mountain Dew actually, because Mountain Dew just gives me a nasty rudder mouth after I taste that. But this one's aftertaste is real good, very smooth. Still kind of has that synthetic taste, but definitely solid. Not my favorite, but it's not a bad bet. Not a bad bet at all. All right, thanks.